Hello and thank you for joining us. We've all heard about the Irishtown Wildfire of August 2025. But today, we're going to give you a perspective you haven't seen before. From a distance, the news stories tell one tale. Up close, from the air, the story of this fire's impact is written on the landscape itself. We're going to start with some of the original footage from our live flyover. But stick with us. We later went back and captured a few minutes of breathtaking, high-resolution 4K video that truly reveals the devastating and remarkable details of the aftermath. This isn't just a video about damage. It's a testament to the power of nature and the resilience of a community. August 10th, 2025, morning. A wildfire ignites in the Irishtown area, near Moncton, New Brunswick, afternoon. The fire is classified as out of control and has grown to an estimated 30 hectares in size. 4 air tankers and 2 skimmers are on site to battle the blaze, Residents in the communities of Irishtown, Tankville, Evangeline, and Lakeville are told to be prepared for a potential evacuation on short notice, Irishtown Nature Park is closed to the public due to fire operations. August 11th, 2025, morning. The fire's size has grown to 54 hectares, afternoon. The New Brunswick government requests additional help from other provinces, and a team of 20 firefighters from Nova Scotia, 5 from Prince Edward Island, and 5 from Maine are deployed to assist with the Irishtown fire, An alert-ready message is prepared to be issued if an evacuation order becomes necessary. Approximately 900 structures and 500 people are considered to be in the area of concern, A special air quality statement is issued for the Irishtown area due to smoke. August 12th, 2025, The fire's size decreases from 54 hectares to 45 hectares. Despite the reduction, the fire is still considered out of control, Officials express cautious optimism about the progress being made. The evacuation advisory remains in effect for nearby residences. August 13th, 2025, morning. Premier Susan Holt reports promising results in the fight against the fire, evening, 8 p.m. Atlantic Daylight Time. New Brunswick officials announced that the wildfire has been contained. The evacuation advisory for the approximately 500 people in the affected communities is officially lifted, signifying that residences are no longer under immediate threat from the fire. August 26, 2025. Comma. New Brunswick announces that the ban on access to Crown land, put in place due to the extreme fire risk, will be lifted on August 27th. Comma. Officials state that no structures were lost in the Irishtown wildfire, but a good number of power lines were burned. Comma. And drones could fly again. If you enjoyed this video, please like and want to see more adventures from us, please subscribe to our channel.